How are ya? It's Jalen.
Hey,
Yeah, gonna pack a little chew, you know,
something to do.
you know. Well,
Yeah, a straight school here, right there.
yep.
It's 8-9. We're in like the 39s right now, so it's a little rough. But do what you gotta do. Just got my teeth cleaned yesterday too.
I
Yeah.
didn't.
So
But,
let's pack a big dip.
yep.
Let's go.
Hold on a second, I get a phone call.
You can't
Hello?
do a phone call in the middle of
Beggar, can you unlock your truck?
buddy who went to get more fucking tins doesn't have the keys to my truck.
But, yeah, he'll
Tell-
be out in a minute though, I
No,
guess.
no. Tell him if
Come
this.
back
See if
in.
this works.
Come back in.
Tell me if that works.
Just come back in
I'm
and get
pressing
the keys.
unlock.
What? What the fuck not?
We're making a dipping video. No, stop. This is a terrible video.
We're making a video right now.
Fuck it. Sorry about the interruptions, guys. Fucking idiot.
But, yeah, sorry about that. Okay, well, he's packing a chew. I'm going to, I'm just gonna, like, something that grinds my gears is kids packing ridiculously big chews and being like, yeah, well, I'm the man. Well, you're not, because you're wasting money. But
That's my car alarm.
his car alarm just went off. But yeah, no need to pack big chews. I mean, it doesn't make a difference. A chew's a chew. I don't know. Don't be dumb. You're gonna pack a chew. Don't pack like fucking half tin, because nobody cares. Everybody can do it. I can pack a full tin. Stupid. Anyway. Yeah. Probably make another video again soon. Gonna be making a lot when I go to Bishop's in the fall. Going to Bishop's University in Quebec. Oh yeah. Anyway.